Welcome to Pro Glass 4. How to measure a glass splashback. Step 1. Measure the height. Take 2 measurements between your cooker hood and worktop. If the 2 measurements are different, either level your hood and re-measure, or use the smallest measurement and lower your hood after fitting your splashback. Make a note of the smallest measurement. Step 2. Measure the width. Take 2 measurements between your cupboards, if you have them. Make a note of the smallest measurement. Step 3. If your measurements are tight, we recommend reducing them slightly to give your glass an expansion gap. We recommended reducing the width by 4 mm and the height by 2 mm. Step 4. Enter your measurements into our website pricing calculator for your bespoke glass splashback quote. Visit www.proglass4.co.uk to discover how you can transform your kitchen with your very own glass splashback.